Hi friends, in this video we are asked to solve for the value of n if n combination 2 is equals to 15. So the question is very simple. First thing we're going to do is just to record the formula. So now the formula is given as that's actually n factorial, right? Divided by what? That's r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. That is, whenever we have n combination r is equals to what? This. So the next thing I'm going to do is that my n in this case is actually the same as this n, right? So I'm going to just put it like this. This is going to be actually this is n factorial divided by my r is at 2 factorial into brackets n minus what 2 factorial equals what 15. So what I'm going to do in this case is that since I'm having n factorial divided by 2 factorial into bracket n minus 2 factorial equals to 15. So let me just see if I will be able to eliminate this n minus 2 factorial. Actually, this factorial should be outside. So here I can record that my n factorial is written as n into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 factorial. Now put it here. I'm going to add to what n into bracket n minus 1 into bracket n minus 2 factorial divided by what? This is actually 2 factorial into bracket n minus 2 factorial. So this will cancel this. Then I'm having it to be equal to what? 15 divided by 1. Right? So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to bring this out. I'm having n into bracket n minus 1, right? Divided by what? 2. 2 factorial is 16 as 2 equals to what? 15 divided by what? 1. Let me just cross multiply. So in this case, I'm going to have n into bracket n minus 1 is equals to what? 30. Right? So here I'm going to have n squared minus n equals to what? 30. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'll go ahead and bring this towards that so that I'm going to have it to what? I'm going to have to be what? N squared minus n minus 30 is equals to 0. So this is actually a trinomial equation, or just a quadratic equation. So to solve this is very simple. I'm going to use factorization method. So I know that whenever I multiply 6 and 6 together, right? 6 and 5 together, 6 multiplied by 5 is just as 30. So here I'm having minus n, which is actually minus 1. But I can just say this is minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5 is actually minus n. That's minus 1, right? And minus 6 times 5 is actually minus 30. So that I'm going to have this to what? N squared minus 6n minus 5n minus 30 is equal to what? 0. Right? So here I can just try to put them inside brackets. So here I'll factorize n out. I'm going to have n into brackets. That's actually n minus 6. Then here I'm going to factorize plus 5 exactly into bracket n. That's minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So now in this case I'm going to have n plus 5 is equal to 0, or n minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So here I'm going to have n equals to what? Minus 5, or n equals to what? 6. So the value of n is actually 5 and also what? 6, and that's just the answer. So you guys should just go ahead and solve. I'm going to give you guys a question that you're going to solve. Make sure you drop it in the comment box below. So go ahead and solve this question. Let me just check for it. Now let's say you are asked to find n combination 2 equals to 28. You are given n combination 2 equals to 28. Then you are asked to find value of n. So go ahead and solve this question. So if you enjoyed this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to solve any question for you, kindly drop it in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.